Hello there. Do you want to know how to place, hold, or reserve a book online? For sure, you are all excited to do so. Here's a simple way to place, hold, or reserve a book. You may go to the OPAC website ilms.edu.ph:800 or to the library website shs.library.edu.ph. At the library OPAC homepage, click Login for your library credentials. Enter the library ID, use your ID number, and for the PIN, by default, it is the last four digit of your ID. Let's say you want to place an individual item on hold. Simply click Place Hold, select Pick Application drop-down list SHS Live. You may also hold the title within a specific date. Please take note that you are only allowed to reserve a book for 1 week only. If you will not claim the book, it will then be available for the other user. Or you may select I want the first available copy if the item has more than one copy, or you can choose a specific copy. Then click Submit Hold. A message advice will prompt that your hold was successfully placed. To place multiple holds, select the checkboxes on the right side of each title from the search result list. Click Select Action, drop-down list, click Place Hold, then change the pickup location to SHS Live, then click Submit Hold. In some point, your holds may be denied or may not be successful due to your outstanding fines, or you've reached a maximum allowed holds, or the item is already on hold or checked out. All successful holds will be located in the holds under the account activity. To cancel your reservation or holds, simply click Cancel Hold. If you want, you can also print all holds. So that's it. Again, this is Ira, your virtual information reference assistant. If you need reference assistance, please feel free to chat us at ShashLive FB page or email us at shslibrary@edu.ph. We will be delighted to serve you. Such Library, your search engine, your gateway to information.